Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is Ceejaybrand, and we are back once again with a brand new tech review video for you guys once again. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at this new product that I really think that a lot of people will buy, just because, we all want to make sure our videos look very great on, social media, or even, our filmmaking journey as well. But this product right here we're going to be taking a look at, it's going to be the Neewer Basics FL10 flashlight. And honestly, this light right here is only at 10 watts, but honestly, it is legit like one of my favorite lights I've personally been using recently, for especially like doing like product photography, or just getting like those, like I call it cinematic shots of like products and stuff that I'm reviewing on the channel. But let's go and talk about this product right here, and let's go and see if you guys will actually purchase this yourselves. So like I said, here goes the Neewer Basics flashlight right here. Now, this right here, it's not a light that's going to be designed to take over, our main key lights that we, that I have right here on this side that's, lighting up the whole entire background. Honestly, this light right here is, in my opinion, is probably made for a couple different things. One, that's going to be like a natural hair light, if you want to have something in the background, like I got back here, this little light bulbs back here, whatever, just bringing on something to separate you from your background. Or if you just want to add on like a different feeling to your video, you can use this product as well. Now, what I've personally been using mine for is doing my product shots. So anytime I'm trying to do like that slow cinematic B-roll content of like a new product that I'm basically, trying to talk about, like for instance, this product right here, I would pretty much just go ahead and turn this on and, use it to light up that image itself. And the reason I'm able to go ahead and do that is because this light right here does come with 20 different gobos. And if you don't know what gobos are, basically those are things that's going to help you change and shift the light and stuff. You get to pretty much take it from being just a, bright bulb, giving it like a unique design and everything. And not only does it come with 20 different gobos as well, this light right here does have the ability to change into 4 different colors. You got your main one, which is going to be the white light. We do have orange, red, and also blue. So whatever color you're feeling for your product shot or your video overall, you can literally change it to that color. And another cool feature about this light as well is the fact that you don't need to have this thing plugged in at all. It literally has a rechargeable battery inside. I believe it's like 7,500 milliamps. So that's pretty dope as well. So therefore, we're going to get 3 hours of battery use out of this. And the best thing about this product as well, it is going to be charged via USB-C. You already know we all got USB-C cords laying around, and also it comes with it itself, so we ain't got to worry about that at all. So the last cool feature about this product right here as well is that it does come with 3/4 inch threads as well. So if you want to go ahead and mount this on top of your camera, you could definitely do so. Of course, you'll probably need like a magic arm or a monitor mount, something that will clearly mount to your camera and everything. Or if you actually have a tripod that you want to put it on, that's pretty much how I use mine, just putting it on top of a little tripod or whatever you want to call this little cheap stand I got next to me now. I use that and everything to go ahead and get that light exactly in the spot that I need it to be on. So like I said, this light right here is pretty dope. And also on top of that, that gobo that I really want, the powerful one, is like $200 for the attachment itself. But legitimately, this product right here on sale as of today, I think I just checked, it was like $42 USD, but you can probably get this for less than $60 for sure. And it's a couple different companies that does make this as well. So I mean, hey, I would say this: if you're starting your YouTube journey, or if you're already in your YouTube journey, or if you even do like, product photography shots, B-roll content of products or whatever, I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and pick up one of these lights right here, just because it's going to add a lot of more ambiance to your video, and it will literally, take it to the next level, man. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about the Neewer FL10 light, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.